Pregnancy test with sugar, how to perform a procedure. It is said that only a woman can understand the exact feeling of being pregnant, as it is one of the most important stages of their life. The first step of entering into this stage is the pregnancy test, which will be conducted as soon as they have doubt of being pregnant. Sugar pregnancy test is a really test which can be done in home, just with some sugar. A lot of options are available for this, among which we will recommend the home-based testing methods at the initial stages. This has the benefit of doing the in a very inexpensive way. There are also situations when some woman needs to check for pregnancy at multiple times. The home-based pregnancy, which is also known as do-it-yourself, will be very useful for such people. How to do the sugar pregnancy test. For conducting the sugar pregnancy test, what you required are some sugar and a well-clean bowl. It is recommended to use the white sugar rather than the others to have a better result. The bowl which will be used for this test should be well sterilized. Otherwise, it may affect the result of the test. So, once you are ready with the above said items, wait for some time until you feel to urinate. Now add 2 or 3 teaspoons of sugar into the bowl. After that, it is recommended to urinate directly into the bowl rather than collecting it in some other vessels and dropping it into the bowl. This pregnancy test with sugar gives perfect and accurate reports. How to perform sugar pregnancy test properly. Procedure. Now, wait for the response from the sugar that is added to the bowl. If the sugar is observed to be dissolved in the urine, then it can be confirmed that you are not pregnant. If it is not dissolved and is seen to clumps up, then it is the indication that you are pregnant. If the result is found to be negative, you can try the same again in a couple of days. It is also recommended to do the test in the morning time with the first urine after waking up. How does this sugar pregnancy test work? It is the human chorionic gonadotropin, HCG, hormone which is present in the urine of the pregnant women that helps in the reaction between the urine and sugar. If the urine contains HCG hormone, the sugar will clump, which will in turn considered as a sign of pregnancy. Apart from sugar, this hormone shows a good response to a lot of other substances as well. This property of the HCG is made in use by the different home-based pregnancy testing methods. Conducting the sugar pregnancy test at a too early stage of the pregnancy will show a negative result only. It doesn't mean that you are not pregnant. So, whenever you get a negative result, don't take a decision about the same. It is recommended to try again with the same test method at multiple times with a gap of 2-3 days. As the testing does not require you to invest any money for the same, you can do it as much as you like. It is also seen that for who are undergoing some medications, the result will not be the correct one. Also, the test conducted after too much consumption of water may also affect the result. Consider all these points carefully before you try the sugar pregnancy test. After you complete the test, you will be amazed with the results for sure. Thanks for